Okay, June 6, 2023. Let's just take a quick look at the Bitcoin one-day chart. We went over this yesterday. Yesterday, we were somewhere down here around the 26,000 level. I made a video. I put it out for you guys. I let you know I didn't expect us to go below this level right here, which is the 200 EMA. We did not actually touch it, but as you can see, we wicked right about down to it. Told you guys not to sell off your stuff. Don't worry about it. If you look, we were bought right back up the next day, just like we said in the video. Now, if we switch over to our Bitcoin basics need chart, which we go over all the time, you know, MACD, RSI, and the stochastic RSI, we can see that each one of these indicators just made some very bullish moves. The RSI just crossed here. It went all the way down to the 36, which means it's most likely reset before it goes to the top and reaches to around the 70 level. We also have the stochastic RSI, which looked like it crossed here, but it faked us out, came down. Now it did cross pretty severely. If this goes up above this line, that's very bullish for Bitcoin. Also here we do have an indicator which shows a volume indicator. As you can see, when it turns red, it's usually that we're going down. There's a lot of sell pressure and sell volume. When it turns green, there's some buying volume. Told you guys yesterday when we went down not to worry about it. We usually wick up the next day. That's exactly what happened. I hope you guys took advantage of some long positions. I know I did. Actually, really quickly, just let me touch this 4-hour. It's very bullish levels as well. You get your MACD crossing. You have your RSI still at a very bullish level of 60. Usually gets around to the 70 area before it comes down. The stochastic is already pretty high here, which is very bullish. And I believe it's going to help pull up the daily. Get ready. This may be a wonderful ride over the next week and a half. Okay, just for shits and giggles, let's take a quick look at this post from yesterday.
All right, so here's a quick look at this Bitcoin one-day chart. If you look in the past, we've crossed the 50 EMA, we have dropped down below it, and then look what happened right afterwards after we reset. We shot right back up. Now, if you look at where we're at right now, we just recently got rejected off of that 50 EMA. We went down to the 200. We didn't break it. Over here, we broke the 200, but over here, the 200 was a lot closer to our 50. I feel like the 200 is gonna hold us. 200 is right about 25,000. Let me see here. 200. All right.
Guys, I don't know how much more accurate you want me to be. Follow. Get this news early.
This chart yesterday, Bitcoin was holding pretty well in this area right here. All right, it did break through. It came back down.
This is that red line we're above today.
Channel that we were in, the parallel channel, the downtrend. Bottom of this.
And yellow line we're above today.
4,460. If it goes into tomorrow, it's about 24,200, somewhere around there. I don't really expect us to come all the way back to this bottom. I'm honestly thinking by the end of the day that we're just going to have a long wick here and we're going to close back above this and break through this tomorrow. Just continue to go forward. I think this is a big fake out. Not financial advice, but don't let them trick you guys.
Not financial advice, but don't get caught out there.
You can see we have been in this trend. We have wicked down below this trend several times.
You know what to look for. You can see it.
And then within that same day, we just went right back up into it. So like I said, don't be too scared. Don't start selling all your shit, guys. The bull run is coming. Crypto's going up.
Keep stacking your sats.
Release your bag so they can buy all your stuff up, make you buy back again at a higher price.